If you are job hunting in 2026, you have probably heard about LinkedIn and Jobscan, but these two platforms actually do very different things. LinkedIn is mainly for networking, job searching, and building your professional presence. Jobscan focuses on optimizing your resume so it can pass ATS systems and match job descriptions better. So in this video, we'll compare LinkedIn versus Jobscan, including features, pricing, pros and cons, and which one is better depending on your situation. And for now, let's get started. What is LinkedIn? LinkedIn is the world's biggest and largest professional networking platform. You can use it to search for jobs, connect with recruiters, build your professional profile, share posts and grow your network, apply for jobs directly, and learn new skills through LinkedIn Learning. For many people, LinkedIn acts like an online resume plus a networking platform at the same time. It's especially useful if you want recruiters to discover you instead of only applying manually. What is Jobscan? Jobscan is an AI powered resume optimization tool. Its main goal is to help your resume pass applicant tracking systems, also known as ATS filters. You basically paste your resume, a job description, then Jobscan analyzes both and gives you a match score. It also suggests missing keywords, resume improvements, ATS optimization tips, LinkedIn profile optimization, cover letter suggestions. So, unlike LinkedIn, Jobscan is not a networking platform. It's more of a resume improvement and job application optimization tool. Main differences. Purpose. This is the biggest difference. LinkedIn focuses on networking, building connections, finding jobs, personal branding. Jobscan focuses on resume optimization, ATS compatibility, increasing interview chances. So they solve different problems in the job search process. Job search features. LinkedIn has one of the biggest job boards online. You can apply directly, follow companies, contact recruiters, get job recommendations, use Easy Apply. JobScan doesn't offer a traditional job board experience like LinkedIn. Instead, it helps to improve your applications before you apply. If your main goal is finding opportunities, LinkedIn is much stronger. Resume optimization. This is where JobScan wins easily. LinkedIn lets you upload resumes, but it doesn't deeply analyze them. JobScan is specifically built for ATS optimization and keyword matching. It gives much more detailed feedback on resume structure, keywords, formatting, ATS readiness, and so on. If you struggle getting interviews, JobScan can be very useful. Networking. LinkedIn dominates here. You can message recruiters, build connections, engage with industry content, grow your personal brand. JobScan has almost no networking functionality, so for long-term career growth, LinkedIn is much more powerful. Pricing. LinkedIn. LinkedIn has a free plan that's already useful for most users. There's also LinkedIn Premium, which gives more applicant insights, in-mail credits, advanced search tools, learning courses, and many other things. Premium can get expensive depending on your region and plan. JobScan. JobScan also has limited free access, but most useful features require a paid subscription. The premium version unlocks more resume scans, ATS analysis, keyword tracking, advanced optimization tools. For active job seekers, the subscription may be worth it temporarily. Pros and cons. LinkedIn Pros. Huge job marketplace, excellent networking tools, strong recruiter visibility, free version is very useful, great for personal branding. LinkedIn Cons. Very competitive job market, premium can be expensive, networking takes time to build. JobScan Pros. Excellent ATS optimization, helpful keyword suggestions, improves resume targeting, easy to use. JobScan Cons. Limited free version, no real networking features, less useful after you land a job. Which one is better? Honestly, these tools work better together rather than against each other. Choose LinkedIn if you want to find jobs, if you want to build professional connections, if you grow your online presence, if you get discovered by recruiters. And choose JobScan if you are applying to many jobs but getting few interviews, if you want ATS friendly resumes, if you need help tailoring resumes to job descriptions. For most people, LinkedIn is the more powerful, essential platform overall, but JobScan can give you an advantage during the application process. Conclusion and final verdict. At the end of the day, LinkedIn is the better all around platform for career growth and job searching. JobScan is the better tool for optimizing resumes and improving application quality. If possible, using both together is probably the smartest approach. Optimize your resume with JobScan, then apply and network through LinkedIn. And that is it for today's video. If you find it helpful and useful, please consider like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and tell me down below in the comments which option will you go for, Jobscan or LinkedIn, or you are going to use both as I mentioned. And that's all for today's video, and goodbye.